Hello everybody. I'm going to show how to solve the problem number 6 from homework 7.6. It looks like there is some issue with the graphing tool here. So indeed, if I click to enlarge the graph, I cannot see anything, yes, in this window. So I'm going to cancel. I'm going on this side. So if I scroll up here, I can see actually this zoom in option, zoom out, yes, option, and they also have this pop-up, let's say, option here, so which is the same as the other one. So I'm going to close this. So I'm going to click zoom in, and I'm going to scroll down such that I can see here the origin. Okay, our function is -2 times sine x, so it's a sine function. So from the tool, we're going to select the first one because the second one is cosine tool. So I click on sine tool. And now I'm going to click anywhere here on this side. You can do it, let's say, at the origin. So what we have here is y equals sine x. But we need to graph -2 sine x. Okay, so we take the absolute value of this number that is multiplied by sine x, that's absolute value of -2, and that's 2. So we write it here in the box for the amplitude. Here the fundamental period, or the period of the function, is 2 pi, so it remains the same. And because of that -2 here in front, we have in fact a reflection of the graph to sine x. Why? Well, if I change here the amplitude, I will get only 2 times sine x. But again, I have here -2, so to take into account that negative sign, yes, I have to use a reflection about the x-axis. You may want to review the section actually on graphing transformations from Precalculus 1, where you are actually told there the basic transformations. One of them is a reflection about the x-axis. So every time when you have like a minus in front of the function, that means that minus sign tells you that you need to use a reflection about the x-axis. Okay, so this is our graph. Okay, so this is a negative sine x. So we are going to check the answer. Yes, that's good job. Okay. Let me show you also the other options here. So we have the other questions. So we have use the graph to determine the domain. Yes, so the domain is the set of all real numbers for a sine function. So I'm going to click in this box and I get this new box here because I need to type in the answer as an interval. So I'm going to put -infinity, infinity, so parentheses, negative, and I need here to find the tool, yes, for infinity. So I'm going to scroll down here, and here we have infinity, comma, again infinity, parentheses, and we check answer. Okay, so make sure that you can use this scroll up and scroll down options here because it may be confusing. Okay, now we are at the range. The next question: the range of a function is the interval that we obtain when we project all the graph onto the y-axis. So if I, let's say, push all these points, yes, onto the y-axis, or I project them, yes, what do we obtain here? Well, if I do this, I will obtain all the points between -2 and 2, and that's the range. So if I click here, I get this box, and here I'm going to type in -2, 2, close, yes, interval at both end points, because -2 and 2 are part of the projections, let's say. So we are going to check the answer. Okay, and it seems that these are the 3 questions for this problem. I hope this will help you with the homework. Please feel free to post any questions, and I can create similar videos for you to help you with the homework. Good luck.